Welcome to our tutorial on Windows Performance Booster. Today we'll see different methods to boost your PC performance. Basically, when your system gets old, it starts showing a lot of performance issues. So this video will help you optimize your settings that will increase your system performance. So let's start with our first method for the day. On the first method, we'll see how to disable unnecessary backgrounds in startup program. Basically, the unnecessary background applications will create a lot of problems for your PC. Those background applications uses a lot of CPU and then memory to run in a background. So let's see how to disable this background applications. So click on Start menu, click on Settings. Inside Settings, go to Privacy, scroll down and then look for background apps. Here it is. Click on background apps. Now here you can see a toggle bar. If you switch off, all the background applications will be switched off, but it is quite advisable not to switch all of your background applications, because applications like Skype and other communication applications need to run in a background to receive your communications. So only it's better to deselect it using one on one. I'll be deselecting my switching off my few of my background applications. So as I said, you can directly switch off all from here if you don't need any, and switch on from here, or do it manually one by one. So in the second step, we'll see how to disable startup applications. Startup application again takes your time to boot your system. When it starts for the first time, it will take a lot of your CPU spaces and resources. So in order to expedite your process of startup, you can use this method. So let's check it out. Now click on Start menu, go to Settings, click on Applications. Here click on Startup. Now here click on this sort by, select Startup Impact. So based on this impact, whichever you can see have higher impact or medium impact, we can switch off that toggle bar so that it will not start automatically when you start your system. This will help you improve your system performance. So let's check our second method, pause OneDrive syncing. Again, when you have OneDrive set up, whenever you create something and put it in that folder, it will try to upload that file on OneDrive, your cloud drive, and that will take unnecessary resources and memory to upload that file on the folder. So here it's better to pause that OneDrive syncing, because that will help you improve your PC performance. So let's check how to do that. If you see this icon, drive icon, a cloud icon here, that's well and good. If not, click on this top arrow and see if it's there. If it's again not there, go here, type OneDrive, click on Open, and then you'll see this icon here. So when you see this, click on that icon, go to Settings. Now click on this Settings, and inside Settings, make sure that this is disabled. This will help you to pause the syncing of your OneDrive. Again, click on that, go to pause syncing, sync it for 24 hours. So this will pause your syncing for 24 hours. You can permanently close this by clicking on Help and Setting and close OneDrive. So unless and until you open it, it won't open it itself, like as a background application. So close OneDrive, then it will close it. So this is how you're gonna pause your OneDrive, and then this will help you boost your performance. So this is another method wherein if you have less hardware, your hardware capacities is less, like RAM is less than 3 MB or 2 MB, and then you need a better performance. It's better to adjust your appearance and performance of Windows. So let's check how to do that. Click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on System, scroll down, go to About. On the right side, click on System Info. Here, click on Adjust Advanced System Settings. Inside Advanced, click on Settings. Now here, click on Adjust for Best Performance. Click on Apply and then click on OK. If anywhere it asks for restart, go ahead and restart your system. This will help you adjust your CPU performance based on your system current configurations. After making all 4 changes, go ahead and restart your system for the final time. If you don't see any visible difference in your Windows performance, go ahead and watch our Windows Performance Booster playlist. It has couple of more videos that will have 8 different methods to boost your Windows performance. This was the part 1 and we have other part 2 and part 3 that you need to follow to boost your PC performance. You are watching F Originals. Like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Your problem, our solution.